Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying access and roles so you won't hit permission errors mid-task. Once authenticated with 2FA, open the Delta console and select the exact workspace or project you'll change. This ensures you work in the right environment. Make sure to export current configurations as JSON or take a quick snapshot, because rollback is often faster than troubleshooting unexpected behavior. Now that the baseline is saved, you're ready to apply the first actionable change without hesitation. You'll now modify the resources and deploy updates, edit service definitions, environment variables, and secrets using the console editor so changes are tracked. Once done, run the preview or dry run feature to validate templates and catch syntax or dependency issues before committing. After validation, apply stage changes and watch the deployment logs and task status. This helps you detect failures early. If you see drift, pause further changes and reconcile the desired state with the actual state to avoid cascade. You finish by verifying health checks, endpoints, logs, and metrics so you confirm the system behaves as expected. Once confirmed, document the change and update runbooks to capture lessons learned. If something fails, roll back using your exported JSON or the console's rollback feature to restore the prior state quickly. Make sure to check permissions and network rules as your primary troubleshooting step when services fail to start. Misconfigured roles or firewall rules are common culprits and often resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.